Hey guys, Brandon here. Wanted to show the cleanup on this. I said I would show a part two. So I use some hot air and this, and then I use another razor too. Once I get all the glass off, actually there's a little bit of glass there. And this is why you do this too, because if you see a little bit of glass there, you know, you can get it off with a little force. I may need my other blade for that, but oh, it's coming. Really on there. We'll keep it. Don't really matter for now. But right around this camera is the most important part. The glass does not want to sit right, and some cases people can't even use, and among other things, you really need to clean out the areas around the edges. Get this black stuff off. Right around the edge is important for it to set right. My other blade does a little better job. I need a new blade on it. But you can see we're getting all this off on the edges there. We're gonna have a smooth edge, and around the cameras we're gonna have a really good area to adhere to. We also use cold press glue, same as Apple. So if you're not using cold press glue and you're not cleaning up this frame, do not do this repair, because people are not going to be happy. It's going to look like crap. It's not going to look anywhere near factory. We use the cold press glue, we seal it back, we clamp it, we clean up the frames. Why people keep coming back time after time. They don't break as easy either. If you use shitty glue and you use like Tessa tape or something, I've heard guys doing like for these backs. I mean, are you kidding me? Tessa tape? Just terrible. Anyway, I just wanted to show that part of this. I'm not anywhere near done. Probably take me another 10 or 15 minutes. I need to get my other blade. But you can kind of see the process getting started. The frame's already a lot cleaner than it was, and just continue to do that.